Hi friends, today in math we're going to be talking about shape riddles. So for our first set of shape riddles, I am going to read some shape riddles to you, and then you're going to try to use this word bank here to help you find the answer to your riddle. So we have 6 different words in our word bank: square, pentagon, hexagon, quadrilateral, triangle, and cube. Out of those, 1 is a 3D shape, and 5 of them are 2D shapes. So remember, a cube is like a pair of dice, right? A die. You can pick up a die, that is a cube. It's 3D, we can touch it. Everything else is a 2D shape, something you would draw on paper. Think about the special things we know about these different shapes. Squares are our royalty. They are super special. They have to have 4 equal sides, 4 right angles. Our pentagon, we know, is going to have 5 sides. Hexagon is going to have 6 sides. A quadrilateral is going to be anything that has 4 sides. So picture all those different shapes we've talked about that have 4 sides. And the specialty ones: trapezoids, rectangle, square, rhombus, all of those could fall under quadrilateral. And our triangle is going to have 3 sides. And remember, our cube is our 3D shape. So put your listening ears on, and here is our first riddle. I am a plane shape. I have 4 sides. I have 4 vertices. All of my sides are equal. What shape am I? All right, go ahead and call out your answer. Yes, if you guess square, you are correct. Let's try another riddle. I am a plane shape. I have 6 sides. I have 6 vertices. What shape am I? Go ahead and call it out. Right, if you guessed hexagon, you are correct. I am a shape with 4 sides and 4 angles. Go ahead and call it out. Right, a quadrilateral. So make sure that you're really reading all of the details and paying attention, because with our square, yes, a square is a quadrilateral, but it was super specific in our square riddle. It reminded us of 4 equal sides and the right angles, when a quadrilateral just needs to be a plane shape with 4 angles and 4 sides. Let's take a look at another set of shape riddles. So here's our word bank for round 2. We have the words trapezoid, hexagon, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Then down below, I have 5 descriptions and a place to write the name of the shape. One of the first things I want to do is actually draw each of these shapes in to help me remember what they are. Now I need to really think through how to answer these questions. I really want to pay attention to the wording of each of these, because some of them could have more than one correct answer. So let's start with the first one. Always has 1 pair of parallel sides. Well, I know my rectangle, square, and rhombus all have at least 2 pairs. A hexagon just has to have 6 sides. Oh, but that is a special feature of a trapezoid. Let's take my trapezoid word, and we're going to add trapezoid down here. It has to have 1 pair of parallel sides to be a trapezoid. Okay, so it leaves me with hexagon, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Always has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Well, if it has 4 equal sides, it could be a square or a rhombus, but because it's saying 4 right angles, That makes it a, right, square. Always has 6 sides. Well, I'm left with hexagon, rectangle, and rhombus, and I know my rectangle and my rhombus are quadrilaterals, and it helps that I drew a picture of my hexagon because I can quickly see that it has 6 sides. Always has 4 equal sides and may have no right angles. So we already used square, and I know square has to have right angle, but they're talking about rhombus because remember, a square can be a rhombus, but just a rhombus isn't always a square. So my rhombus has 4 equal sides and doesn't always have to have right angles, so it's going to be a rhombus. So if I did this correctly, my last answer should tell me about rectangle. Let's see if it matches. Always has 2 pairs of opposite equal sides. Yes, a rectangle has that. Good job, friends. Let's take a look at our last round today. Now it's going to be some true or false questions. So we've got group 1 and group 2. In group 1, I see 3 shapes, and it looks like they are 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 5 sides, so they're pentagons of different sizes. And over here in group 2, I see 3 4-sided figures. This one definitely looks like it has 4 right angles. We've got 4 sides on all of them. All right, let's see if we can compare and see what's true or false. All of the shapes in group 2 are squares. I would say no, it doesn't quite look like this shape here has right angles. They're a little bit off, so they are not all squares. All of the shapes in group 1 and 2 are quadrilaterals. That's not going to be true because I know that these are pentagons. All of the shapes in group 1 have 3 sides. No, that's definitely not true because I know they have 5. I counted. All of the shapes in group 2 are rhombuses. That is true because they are all shapes with 4 equal sides. All right, friends, when you move on and take your assessment, really take your time, slow down, and pay attention to what the questions are asking you. Good luck, friends.